Recessions are tough, but what if I told you this is exactly how some of the world's wealthiest people got rich? Today, we're revealing 5 foolproof strategies on how to build wealth during a recession, with real-life examples of people and companies who turned downturns into billion-dollar opportunities. The first and most common strategy to build wealth during a recession is to stack cash when times are good and invest during recessions. Warren Buffett made a fortune by buying when others were panicking. In 2008, while banks were failing, Buffett invested $5 billion into Goldman Sachs at rock-bottom prices. By 2011, he'd made over $3.7 billion in profit. His secret? He sees recessions as a discount season for high-value assets. Warren Buffett once said, "Opportunities come infrequently. When it rains gold, put out the bucket, not the thimble." During the 2008 crash, Apple stock dropped to just $11. Netflix traded around $3. Amazon, around $35. If you'd invested $1,000 in each, you'd be sitting on over $200,000 today. These weren't random picks. They were solid companies temporarily hit by fear. In every recession, great businesses go on sale. Focus on brands with strong cash flow, customer loyalty, and long-term growth potential. The second strategy to building wealth during a recession is solving one of the many problems that arise during these times. In 2008, Brian Chesky and Joe Gebbia couldn't afford rent, so they put air mattresses on their floor and rented them out. That side hustle became Airbnb, a company now worth over $80 billion. Around the same time, Uber was born in San Francisco during the financial crisis. 2 guys couldn't get a cab after a tech event and thought, what if we could just press a button and get a ride? Recessions force innovation. When jobs disappear, people build what's missing. Ask yourself, what problem exists right now that wasn't there before? The third strategy to building wealth during a recession is to invest in income-generating assets. In 2020, during the COVID-19 recession, creators like Stephan and Ali Abdaal skyrocketed on YouTube. They monetized finance and productivity content, raking in over $100,000 per month from ads, courses, and affiliate marketing. At the same time, e-commerce brands like Gymshark and Blissy scaled rapidly by tapping into lockdown needs: home fitness, sleep, self-care. Digital businesses are recession-resistant when built right because they have low overhead, global reach, and passive income potential. The fourth strategy to become wealthy during a recession is to remain calm and level-headed. After the 2008 crash, Grant Cardone doubled down on real estate. While others were panicking, he bought multifamily units for pennies on the dollar. Today, he owns over $4 billion in real estate assets. The trick? Buying when interest rates are low and prices are down. Recession equals less competition, more negotiation power, and long-term upside. Want to follow in the footsteps of the wealthy that thrive during recessions? Here's what recession millionaires consistently do. 1. They stack cash when times are good. 2. They see problems as business opportunities. 3. They invest in income-generating assets. 4. They stay calm while others panic. 5. They take fast action, not perfect action. Recessions don't have to be scary. If you play your cards right, this could be your moment too. Hit like, subscribe, and comment below. Which of these strategies are you going to try first?